Happy Veterans Day. This is Lisa Jorgensen, and I'd like to present the book that I've chosen for week 9. It is a photographic, informational, nonfiction book published by Dorling Kindersley in 1995. The book was published to coincide with UNICEF's 50th anniversary, a celebration of children around the world. This book is divided by continent, and each heading page has a different continent and some information about that region, as well as the different children who were interviewed. This is Celine, and she's from Brazil. And you'll see on each of these 2-page spreads that the children have a chance to write their name in their own handwriting. It talks about their family and what they do for a living. It talks about what they eat, how they sleep, and where they go to school, and some of the dreams and the aspirations that each of the children have. And here it shows her father and her brother, and they fish in the river, and they sometimes kill alligators to eat. They get their water from a well, and Selena sleeps in a hammock. Then we go on to Europe, and we meet Bogna and her family. They live in Poland. And her stepfather uses milk to make organic cheeses and breads, which he sells, and Mom is a teacher. This is their home, and this is the handwriting of her name and where she goes to school. And then we move on to the continent of Africa, and we meet Tedeschi, and this is one of his sisters. His father passed away, and his mother can't care for them, so they live in an orphanage that's run by this woman. And here are some of the meals that are provided for them at the orphanage. And this is a favorite toy of Tedeschi's right here. And it says right here that he's scared of war. War destroys everything. And he just hopes for peace and opportunity for children to be safe and not frightened. Then we move on to Asia, and we meet Erdine and his family. And they're from Mongolia. And they breed horses, cows, sheep, and goats. And again, it shows some of the animals from the region where he goes to school and his family. Then we move on to Southeast Asia and Australia, and we meet Edgar and his family from the Philippines. And his father buys oysters, and they shuck them, and they sell them to restaurants. And he and his brothers have to help shucking those oysters before and after school every day. Here's some of the food that they enjoy eating, and here is a toy that he made himself using tin cans and a pair of old flip-flops. At the end of the book, there's this wonderful travel diary that was kept by the authors of the book. They're a husband and a wife team, and they traveled for almost 2 years interviewing children in several different countries and photographing them. These are some of the activities I would suggest doing to enhance the reading of this book. There's an opportunity at the end of the book here to sign up to be a pen pal, which I think would be great fun. There are a lot of different word puzzles and crosswords on the internet that you could use. I think it would be fun to play different games from around the world that children like, and also to have kind of a taste of the world or a cultural food day. You could also have a geography lesson, and you could use the map and have the children find the children who are in the book on the map. This book has excellent reviews. It's factual, respectful, it's insightful, nuggets of information, accompanying quotes. It talks about the information is succinct and the photographs are bold and friendly. And the children span a wide range of races and cultures, and both boys and girls are identified in this book equally. It's just a wonderful book. They have also updated this book. It was originally published again in 1995, but a new edition of this book was published in 2016. I highly recommend this book. I really, really enjoy it. I became a consultant with Dorling Kindersley in 1996 so that I could build my own library for my children. I love their books, and I would encourage everybody to purchase this particular one. Children between the ages of 7 to 10 will enjoy the book and have a lot of fun learning about people their age in different parts of the world. And this book is a great way to teach about diversity while also celebrating that we are all children of God. I share this book with you and hope that you will enjoy it as much as I have, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.